Next thing you do is you're going to create your site template. So go over to the Templates tab, click the New Template button, and call this Main. Hit Return. Double click on that. It opens up. You go to the library, find your header, click Insert. It just places it on your page. Now if you ever need to go and fix a link to one of the header links, like you named a page differently than you named it in the code, all you got to do is go back to the library and open up this header, and you can click on the button and change the link. We got our header on the page. You have your cursor beneath the header. Go up to the Common tab, click Add Table, and you're going to make it 2 rows, one for the body and 1 row for the footer. 1 column, and make it 800 pixels, just like the header table. 0 border thickness, make cell padding 10, cell spacing 0. Click OK, and now you got a table. Notice it's not centered. Go to the Properties panel, Align Center, and it aligns directly underneath the table. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my footer. Now clicking in the bottom row, I'm going to go to Horizontal Center, and it puts it directly in the center. Go to Text, and then the drop down box has Copyright. You always want to put copyright at the bottom of your page. 2010 sample site. I'm going to type add title here. Hit Return, add content here. And then I'm going to highlight the title, go under the HTML tab, heading 1. Then I'm going to right click or control click, align center. Basically I have a sample layout here of the site. You also want to put the website title here. If you want to change the page background or the text settings, you can also change the background color of this table here to be a certain color, and then the background of the page to be a different color. Whatever you choose, you're the designer. You can go Modify Page Properties. You can change the background color to black if you want. Click Apply, and it does that. But notice I made this a JPEG, so it's not transparent. So black would not be a good color. You might keep it, from in this instance, white, or you can make it a red. Or if you ever want to match a color, you can just put the eyedropper there and you can match a color. Text color, I might try this red. Click Apply, and it changes my text color there. So I'm going to click OK. Also, you got this little gap here. Sometimes you might want it, sometimes you don't. If you want to get rid of it, go back to Page Properties and set the margins to 0. And the gap is gone. Before you complete your template, you have to make an editable region on your page. Now what that does is, whenever you make your pages, the editable region is the only area on the page that you can add and change. Now to do that, you just get your arrow to where it's pointing to the right, select that cell, go to the Common tab, click the drop down menu, choose Editable Region, call this Main Content Area, click OK, and this area is an editable region. So I'm going to save this file, save, and then I'm going to close it out. And now it's time to make our pages from our template. Hey class, this video was part of a 5-step video series in website construction. If you found this video useful, click on one of the other videos below to continue to the next step.